A very quick unboxing video. I wanted a new toothbrush because mine packed in. This lot took, I think, 3 days to get, 3 or 4 days to get to me. So it's not like it took a long time. I wanted a new toothbrush, so I thought, you buy 3 things, you get free delivery. So as usual, I thought I'd get some more power cord. It was something like £3 for 50 meters of power cord. £3 for 50 meters. I also got a lovely plastic, quite strong, but lightweight plastic spork, basically. The one I've got, I can't use it as a spork, as a fork or a spoon, because it's a multi-tool, so it's got like tools in here and here. You try and use it, rips your fucking mouth apart. This one, it's plastic, but it's got a bit of a sting in its tail, because it's plastic. It is a plastic knife. It's bendy. But even though it is a plastic knife, it is quite effective as a plastic knife. It is quite sharp, actually. So yeah, that's I love these little hidden things you get like that. That kind of stuff where it's like little hidden treats inside. So yeah, it's a very good spoon, fork thing, with a hidden knife. But the toothbrush, I swear to fuck, what is it with these bloody Chinese companies and vibrating things? This is a toothbrush. I think it costs like £3. Rechargeable. They always come a bit pre-charged. Now this, it comes with 4 heads, little charging cable. The cable costs that much in the pound shop downtown. So, I don't have that many teeth left, but that is on the lowest setting. That's the lowest setting. The lowest setting. All the girls are going, how can we buy one of those? Yeah, that's the lowest setting. Yeah, this is, my thumb is vibrating like mad. I mean, I have had hemorrhoids for a very long time. I've always been a biker. Oh, bike, boo-hoo. So I've had hemorrhoids since I was 20, because I've always been on bikes. I'm not saying I'm going to shove it up. It's just, it vibrates a lot. I mean, even the lowest setting. That's the lowest setting. Then you've got what? Tooth, clitoris, lobelia. That's terrifying. I don't know about sticking it in my mouth, but I think that needs charging. No, it doesn't need charging. God, my hand is throbbing. Only my hand. So yeah, power cord, always handy, always useful, always cheap. And it's not cheap because it's going to fall apart. It's cheap because it's just they mass-produced stuff. A lovely spoon, a nice lightweight spoon that can go in the backpack and I can stab squirrels. And what is it with these vibrating things, over vibrating? It's like this. This is a piece of crap. It does not shave my beard. It does not trim hair. But I haven't used it in. Yeah, I haven't used it since I bought it. And these things, the lithium batteries, they do keep their energy for a long fucking time. Because I've never charged it. And I've had it for about 5 months. So yeah, oh. Oh crap. My hand is still vibrating. I should go and buy like a bulk load of those instead of a market store. Honestly, ladies, it's for your teeth. Yeah, if you're English, you use that side on your clit. Okay? If you're German, you use that side on your clit. Just thought I'd mention it. Some ladies get the wrong way round. This worked for 3 seconds and then stopped working. Nothing whatsoever. It's fully charged and it's not doing anything. No vibrating, completely useless and a waste of time.